heyitsfei, welcome back to my channel. Today's haul is extremely exciting because I'm doing a stranger's haul. By stranger I mean you. You're not a stranger, Linda, but you know, a couple months ago I did a video where I was basically trying on a stranger's haul without even realizing it was in my order because you know, yes, style takes a while to get here, so I was just like, did I order this? Maybe I was basically contradicting myself throughout the whole video. Turns out it wasn't even my order. A lot of you guys actually put this idea in me where I should buy a bunch of clothes from you guys, picked from you, and I just try it on for you. It's like I'm taking the fall for you on this episode of Faye Taking the Fall. By the way, do you like my nails? Aren't they cute? I did it myself. Anyway, to have fun with this series, we're gonna keep doing it. So make sure you follow me on Instagram because I'm gonna keep asking you guys to pick clothes you guys want me to buy. To my surprise, a lot of us have the same style. There were some pieces where I was like, you said what? You want me to wear this, Linda? Like, do you just want me to not score? So today, I'm trying a stranger's haul. Also, I just wanted to let you guys know that YesStyle is having a 15% off campaign on their YesStyle app. They're offering 15% off your order of $59 and above using their code APP15 while checking out on their app. Also, you can use my code, which I don't make a cent from it, so. You guys, this is the first piece recommended by Courtney Snow and a bunch of people. It's funny because I kept getting the same request to buy this cardigan. This is from Dude and it's the contrast trim cardigan. It ranged for about $10. Wait, bootin'. Okay, so okay, maybe don't button it up. Firstly, the color is adorable. It stands out and it gives a very like Japanese anime schoolgirl vibe. Okay, that's what I'm getting from this because of the outline. I didn't even realize there was this braiding detailing on the side with this ribbed cardigan. It's a little bit cuter when I wear it open. When I close it up, I completely look like a balloon up here because it's a little bit baggier on the side. My proportions are off. I absolutely think it's a plus that it tightens up right here on your wrist. Not only does it give a little bit more shape to your arm. Love showing people that we have shape on our arms. Big fan of just the cinching on the breast. All that matters is that you're gonna look cute. We're really starting out with bang because someone, XVS Shing, faux fur trim rib knit cardigan in green. Not just green, but a Mr. Grinch green. I like that it's detachable. So the sleeves and the collar detaches from the actual cardigan. I can do this. I don't know about you though. And for $33, it feels like it has a lot more sturdy quality than this. Oh, I'm not mad at this color actually. I'm kind of digging Mr. Grinch. This cardigan comes in one size, so you can't really pick and choose. I'd rather have something more fitting like this versus the blue one I just tried on, and I buttoned it completely off. This is kind of cute. What did you do there, Shane? So this isn't button off? Uh-oh. Hey there. I was such a judgmental
asshole.
I feel so like talk to my lawyers. Oh, wait till you put this on. There are buttons on the inside and there's more on the side. There are these little elastic hooks that you can attach to the buttons. Okay, let me just hook the first, if I can. It comes all the way down to here, bestie. Oh. My double chin doesn't allow me to lift that far. For I can't wallow in my soul. What in the world? Why would you guys ever put me in this? But now wearing it, I kind of feel like a sophisticated badass. I don't mess with you on a Thursday. There's this flimsy tail part that has no like, oh wait, there is a hook. Oh, you know what? Who cares? I feel like you can have it however you want. Suck on that, Linda. If this does not tickle your pickle, it's completely okay. If you guys didn't hear, sage green is the new color for summer. And I feel like next door to sage green is this green that's gonna be really popular. Mrs. Grinch came early. I love the ribbing of this cardigan. It just makes my arms look long and skinty. Long. It does not necessarily fit too well here, so it kind of splits, but I like that look. I did that on purpose. This set gives me a lot of attitude. I'm noticing. Like I suddenly think I'm better than the me 2 minutes ago. She's so broke, bitch. On the other hand, I feel like a middle-aged 50-year-old sitting on my porch smoking this going, I don't wiping my tears away or how my husband disappeared. All I have left is his bench. I'm done. I'm gonna give this to you, Linda. I didn't like it at first when I saw it, but now that I have it on, I think I like it more than I should. So, at StephQ NIS. StephQness. You told me to buy these high-waisted bootcut jeans. You want me to? I've never worn jeans this color and I feel very out of my comfort zone, which is a good thing, I guess. It's a little bell-shaped, not too horrible, and has like fringing on the bottom here, so that's fun. I got the size large. Ooh, she said large and what? Lego size? Okay, Linda. Hey, it's stretchy. It's a little stretchy, wedgy. Gotta stop wearing thick ass underwears. I got this. Your girl lost 5 pounds. I think. The zipper's stuck. It's not me. The zipper's shitty quality. I'm not gonna lie. Hey, I kinda like it. The jeans fit so nice. Here we have a fupa. We're proud of this fupa. This color combination, if you don't like it, then you can disperse into I don't care La La Land. It does trace the chubs a little down here. Where when we say the chubs, we mean the vagina. What am I gonna do? Get rid of it? No. Oh, my underwear just out here. My bad. I like wearing granny undies. It is quite long. Look at this. Tell me this isn't a cute outfit. What's cooking? Good looking? You guys are styling me out of things I never pick or wear. I kind of like it. So flexible. Look at that. I know the back is not as flattering, but it don't matter. I'm just not gonna take this off. That's the end of this haul. Thank you for coming. Get yourself these dark brown jeans. You guys just won't give up trying to put me into a knit vest. This was around $22 and it's a loose fit. And this was requested by Gogeta Froggy. I feel like I'm a little traumatized from that knit vest I had in that accidental haul. You guys know I don't fit this kind of vest. I just don't look good in them. Ooh, let's cut it. What are we trying to accomplish here? If we tuck it in, I don't really have room in my jeans. I just chunkified my fupa. I think this is still a no-go for me. What if crop it, snip it off, chop it? This might be cute and wearable. Like, what do you want me to do? Okay, let's break this down. The vest itself is actually decent quality for your style. Also, the patterning looks elite. The knitting details, very accurate, looks pretty on point. It doesn't feel flimsy and cheap. The issue here is that I don't know how to dress this. Just no, I'm sorry. I look like a teacher with these pants too. Today we're gonna be learning about the ecosystem and the cumulus clouds. Either that or I look pregnant. This is not my cup of tea. We tried. Okay, now this is what I'm talking about. This is a strawberry print top camisole. Amanda Spam told me to buy this, and actually a couple other people. This was for $5.58. You guys know that I love straps that are super thin like this. I love the bow detailing. This is such a cute and sweet camisole. Quality of this top feels like something you'd wear to sleep. Kind of almost looks like pajamas. I like that it fits to the body, even though it was a little bit snug on the chesticles. Keep in mind that it has this elastic flexibility so that it can conform to your body. Okay, I'm noticing that the straps do spiral a little bit. When I'm doing my thing, it feels like it's starting to slip down the shoulders, so be careful with that. This screams I'm gonna take myself on a picnic date because I don't need no mans. This next piece is a long sleeve V-neck mermaid dress, and this was sent in by Hello, it's Hannah, so thank you very much. It ranges about $19.92. I am noticing already that there's a lot of just strings hanging on by a thread, literally. The sides are cinched, which is exciting, and also it has this flare on the bottom. Okay, initial thoughts. I feel like this might be too long for me, but then you can kind of scrunch it up to your length. I don't know how I feel necessarily. I don't love it. I also don't hate it. If I don't bunch it up, it actually comes right above my knees, which is fine. I like it a little bit higher, so I prefer it like this, although it does bunch up around this area, so you gotta be mindful. Can you just see my beautiful muffin top? I love it. Flaunt it. We all have it, and if you don't, then good for you. I don't know. What do you want me to do? Give you a cookie or a sticker? This is how it looks like from the side, the front, the back. There's literally nothing wearing this lap. It is heavy on the cut here, so be careful when you're like bending over. Don't know if you can tell, but this is actually ribbed going vertical all the way down the dress. The fabric is a little cooling. You could wear this casually, athletically, and formally, however you want.
Reese's Puffs, Reese's Puffs. Eat 'em up, beat 'em up, beat 'em up, beat 'em up. Reese's Puffs.
I am noticing that this front flap does not lay as secure as you want it to. I keep feeling like it's gonna slip this way. You can probably alter it. The power's in your hand. Oh my god. Linda, you guys are doing the most because I'm in love with this. Oh my god. Okay, ignore the fupa, ignore the charms down here. This is by Black Brick, the faux leather bustier, and this is in the size large for about $10. Recommended by Stephanie Doria. So this was in the size large, and I kind of struggled a little bit to snap it on, especially in the chesty bestie area. We did it, got it. That's all that matters. Really hoping it doesn't pop off. Literally my favorite detail, this lining down here. If you can even tell, it has this very subtle pointy edge that comes right to the center. It looks like she snatched. I love that detailing. This is the most comfortable faux leather I've ever worn. It's actually very stretchy, but it doesn't lose that tightening feel you want in certain areas. It's like you feel snug, but you can still do gymnastics, karate.
I just love how it makes my body look.
$10. Look how plump it makes your chesticles look. So nice. You must get this top. You have to get this top. Out of everything I tried, get this one. It's a mini corset. Perfect amount of support, and also you don't need to wear a bra. Okay, so this next spaghetti strap top I chose myself. This was for $7, and I'm covering up because the milk makers are a little bit showy. It is shorter than I anticipated. As you can see, there's just a lot of room down here, and that makes me feel a little bit like insecure, conscious. But let's talk about how cute this framing is with the small little pinch right here and the spaghetti strap, so you do have to tie yourself. The length back here is fine, but then when it comes to here, it just whoop. I don't like that it's too see-through, but I do really like it because of this pinch in the middle and the way it frames the chesty besties with the straps. I'm on edge, I don't know. I guess for $7, okay. Oh my gosh, I love this piece too. This was requested for me to buy by Ashley. Hey Linda. This is the deep neck collared crop knit top for about $18, and most of the clothes I got this time were either one size or large. However, this top was a medium. I love collar tops. I don't know why people don't like them. I have one specific color. It was the one from Lip Hop that I showed a while ago. It's literally the only colored long sleeve I have. It feels very sexy, mature, and I like that look, especially when you're like trying to look your age, bae. You're turning 27 in May. It gives me confidence, okay? I mean, look at this. This has way better quality than Lip Hop. It's not deep enough to bring the chesties out. Still give you shape. Doesn't close you up. Anyone should have this classic piece. Also, am I the only one who loves long sleeves that go way over their arms, their palms? So cute! So everything so far I love. I don't think I'm ready for a bodycon dress. This is the butterfly print spaghetti strap bodycon dress. So I don't hate this dress, but any kind of bodycon dress, it makes me feel very insecure and just very conscious of my body. So I can never find like a comfortable soft spot to just live life in a bodycon dress. Can't do it. Can't be me. But whatever, I'm showing you guys anyway. Like I just feel like I want to do this or like hide. Still working on it. It takes time. This dress is quite short. It feels like it's rolling up. I kind of feel like there's just too much straps going on. Maybe if I had someone to help me tie it so it's towards the back. I'm gonna lie, I kind of like it. I feel pretty in this dress. Fupa or not, rock it. I don't care. The butterfly print does look a little bit tacky and cliche. It kind of looks like glitter glue. You know what? Can't my shit on this because the quality feels like something you'd find on Princess Polly. This is out of my comfort zone, Linda, but thank you for making me try. Never know unless you try. This is our last piece from X Yang 93. I have a lot of thoughts on this. So you have to buy these two pieces separately. This is the cardigan and this is the dress underneath. It's a little see-through, so I have to kind of cover up. It does have a slit. The dress is about $31. The cardigan's about $26. Love how there's like these distressed detailing on the sleeve. Not plain Jane cutesy peachy pink. Like a plain Jane on the edge. Like she's cute but she'll bite. It's not a little see-through, it's a lot see-through. So I don't think I'm gonna show you guys too much. It has these two straps that you can tie into a halter, which I really like. Again, big fan of halter tops if you have biggie chesties and broady shoulders. The length of this skirt, it's a dress, comes about mid-thigh. It's on the shorter side. This cardigan feels like that very first blue student uniform cardigan, but worse in quality. So I don't know why this went for $26. I do love the color though. I like how it's very bright and playful and it matches my nails. So very cute. This is the cardigan on top of the dress, which I kind of like this look a little more. Oh my god, look at these cardigan holes. It's like I made it myself. I kind of like this comfort. I adore how the slit of the dress pops out on the bottom. That reminds me of, you know, Bring It On, whatever version. The girl where she's like trying to crump. She's like... Tell me you know what I'm talking talking about. For the quality, not worth the price. Out of everything, this is probably the lowest quality. Like a knit cardigan, you're not supposed to be able to wrinkle that. Even the dress. I feel like if this knit dress was higher quality, you wouldn't have the see-through issue. So I don't recommend it for the quality. That is it for this Strangers try-on haul. Thank you guys, Linda, for sending in all these clothing pieces. There is a part 2 to this, so like this video if you want me to do part 2. And also follow me on Instagram because I'm gonna be asking you guys soon to help me pick out some clothes to buy from Shein. Also, again, another Strangers haul from YesStyle. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more. And until next time, I'm sending love.